Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Valencia car show taking a look at the new Peugeot 2008. So this is the facelifted version, and the model in our video has got a lovely spec, white color, and you also see we have the Allure trim on this one. Now on the front you can spot the new badge and the new grille. I love the way that the grille goes sort of like from the badge to the outer sections. And one cool detail are also these daytime running LEDs, sort of like the 3 class, the signature detail of the new Peugeot models. And you also see the 2008 lettering in gray finish, which is also a nice touch. Now moving on to the side, 4.3 meters is the length of the car. Very strong design lines, pronounced side skirts, plastic wheel arches, giving it a robust look. And now I can also show you the wheels, the 215/60 R17, that's the dimension of the tires. You see the dual tone and also the new Peugeot badge, and this is actually the cover, so you remove it to see the wheel nuts and of course to change the wheel, or if you're changing, for example, the tires actually, then you can remove the wheel that way. Nice gloss black wing mirrors, and also the gloss black roof rails on the Allure trim. And I love the way that the C-pillar is made. Looks like the roof is floating. And now from the rear you can spot the new taillights with the beautiful signature, and also you can see that here we have the new lettering. Instead of the badge we have the lettering finished in the gray color, just like the lettering here for the model and just like the model lettering on the bonnet. So I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like this new trend? And actually many car manufacturers do this nowadays. So instead of the badge we see the lettering of the model, and you see also the real exhaust pipe here on this one, which is always nice to see. And I love this gloss black finish on this section here. You see also the rear view camera, and I can also show you the trunk space. There we go, dual floor. And yeah, well, this is it. Now we are ready to explore the interior of the car. So without further ado, let's go. And this is it. You see very unique interior and the well-known small steering wheel now with the new badge. And here on the side you can see rather decent amount of room here actually in the door pocket, windows, switches for the windows and mirrors. And then I'm loving this detail here as well, and this is the same pattern as on the dashboard. So now let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, and this is it, the well-known small steering wheel with the flat bottom, and feels very nice to hold it in hand. The new Peugeot badge, and you see also the physical buttons on the steering wheel as well. The iCockpit is here, and then the main touchscreen, the 10-inch screen, is now standard. The car also has the new infotainment system, but we would need to key for that. I actually filmed other specifications, and there I showed you the infotainment system, so you can watch that video on my channel already live. So these are the lovely details design-wise, and definitely makes this interior unique and sporty in my opinion. You do have some shortcuts here. Press this, you get the storage area, and I believe here you would also be able to have the wireless charging pad, USB-C ports on the sides, storage room, 12-volt power supply, and then this is the new gear selector for the manual transmission. I think it looks very cool in my opinion. I only saw the automatic ones so far, so this is the first time that I'm seeing and filming the car with the manual transmission, the facelifted version of 2008 of course. So yeah, definitely looks nice. And here is the drive mode selector, electronic parking brake, and the cup holders, but I'm not a huge fan of this gloss black here. As you can see, gets fingerprints easily. And here is the storage room. Speaking about storage room, let me also show you the glove compartment, decent in size. And we are now ready to explore the rear bench. This is the situation at the rear bench. You see also 2 USB ports, USB-C and USB, and let me show you the situation for my head. And this is how it looks for my head. Not sure how much the camera is catching it, but still plenty of room left for my head. I'm 1.87 m. In terms of powertrains, a lot to choose from: petrol, diesel, electric version, and also there's gonna be a 48-volt hybrid coming at the beginning of 2024. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye bye.